Hello students of class 3, welcome to the digital classroom of Deepti Digital School. So today's subject is mathematics. So today we will study chapter number 10 of your maths book, that is basic geometrical concept. Okay, so in this chapter basically we are going to study geometrical concepts. So some of the important topics of this chapters are that we will study in this chapter are plane figures, point and lines, solid figures. Okay, so there are three topics that we will study. Those are plane figures, point and lines, solid figures. Okay, so in this video we will study plane figures. Okay, now plane figures. What are plane figures? Two-dimensional figures called plane figures. Two-dimensional figures are called plane figures. These figures are flat plane figures. These are flat plane figures with only two dimensions. With only two dimensions. What are the two dimensions? Length and width. Length and width. So length and width. Length and width. Okay. Now some of the examples of plane figures are that we will study in this chapter. You can already see the figures here. First is rectangle, you all know. Now next is triangle, then is square, then is circle. So these figures are the examples of plane figures. Plane figures are, मतलब अगर आपको पूछा जाए कि plane figures के examples क्या होते हैं, वो क्या है? Rectangle, triangle, square and circle. So now we will learn about these shapes. Okay, we will learn about these shapes. Now students, take out your maths transfer copy in front of you. Take out your maths transfer copy. Then take out a new page, new fresh page. On the top of the page, write down worksheet A1. On the top of the page, write down worksheet A1. A1 because we are studying now annual syllabus. Okay? Now on the left side of your page, write down today's date. Write down today's date. Then write chapter number 10. After that, write the name of the chapter, that is basic geometrical concept. Basic geometrical concept. Now we are proceeding towards exercise number 1. Give the exercise number 1 and also mention page number. Give exercise number 1 and also mention page number, exercise 1, page number 102. So now also write question number 1A. there is a shape. What is the shape? What is the name of the shape? We all know that is rectangle. It is a rectangle. Okay. Now, let's fill these blanks. A rectangle has dash sides. A rectangle has dash sides. So, how many sides are there in a rectangle? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, how many sides are there? There are 4 sides. Now, a rectangle has dash vertices. So, how many vertices are there in a rectangle? There are 4 vertices in a rectangle. So, write down 4 sides and 4 vertices. Students, write this properly. You have to draw the shape also. Write the name of the shape. Give question number 1A1. Okay. Now, a rectangle has 4 sides. A rectangle has 4 vertices. So, vertices, these are the vertices of any shape. Okay. Vertices मतलब क्या होता है? Corners. So, how many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, there are 4 vertices. Now, the dash sides of a rectangle are equal. Which sides of a rectangle are equal? The opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. The opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. These 2 sides are equal and these 2 sides are equal. The opposite side of a rectangle, write down the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Now students, there is one more figure in front of you. You all know this shape. This is called a triangle. This is a triangle. So, now let's fill the blanks here. A triangle has dash sides. A triangle has dash sides. So, same way in rectangle we have done, same way we will do in triangle also. Let's count 1, 2, 3. So, how many sides are there in a triangle? There are 3 sides in a triangle. There are 3 sides in a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has dash vertices. A triangle has dash vertices. Now, how many vertices? Vertices means I have said you pointers. So, how many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3. So, the triangle has 3 vertices. Write down in your copy. It should be neat and clean, students. Take a new page, draw a triangle neatly and then write, fill in the blanks. A triangle has 3 sides, a triangle has 3 vertices. Now, let's proceed to the another shape. So students, now in front of you there is another shape. So you all know, you also know this shape. Okay. Now, a square has dash vertices. So how many vertices are there in a square? Let's count. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many vertices are there in a square? There are 4 vertices in a square. Now, another third number, that is all sides of a square are dash. अब हम सभी को पता है कि स्क्वायर के सारे साइड्स क्या होते हैं? एक समान होते हैं, इक्वल होते हैं, सेम होते हैं. देखिए ये और ये साइड, चारों साइड क्या है? बिल्कुल इक्वल है. ओके, सो all sides of a square are equal. Write down. All sides of a square are equal. Now, write down fast. Now, I am proceeding towards another figure. Now, students, in front of you there is another figure. We all know this figure very well. This is a circle. This is a circle. A circle has dash sides. अब students, यहाँ पे कुछ भी sides हैं ऐसे? Lines हैं यहाँ पे कुछ? No, there are no lines here. There are no sides here. So a triangle has no sides. Sorry students, a circle has no sides. Okay, now let's come to the another point, that is a circle has dash vertices. Now, are there any corners like this? ऐसे corners हैं इस circle में? मुझे तो नहीं दिख रहे हैं, आपको भी नहीं दिख रहे होंगे. So now, what can we say? A circle has no vertices. A circle has no vertices. Circle में ना ही sides होता है, ना ही vertices होता है. I hope students, आपको shapes पढ़ने में मजा आया होगा. Now, you have your homework is you have to learn today's word. आपने तो लिख ही चुका होगा अपने क्लास बुक कॉपी में. अब इसे फटाफट आपको याद कर लेना है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टेक अ समरी. सो प्लेन फिगर्स क्या है? फ्लैट प्लेन फिगर्स होते हैं, 2 डायमेंशनल फिगर्स होते हैं जिसमें सिर्फ लेंथ और ब्रेथ ही होता है. प्लेन फिगर्स में एग्जांपल्स क्या क्या हैं? रेक्टेंगल, ट्रायंगल, स्क्वायर एंड सर्कल. हम लोगों ने सिर्फ इसी के बारे में पढ़ा है आज. तो पहला फिगर क्या था? रेक्टेंगल, उसमें सिर्फ 4 साइड्स होती हैं, 4 वर्टिसेस होते हैं और उसके ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं. नेक्स्ट फिगर था ट्रायंगल. ट्रायंगल हैज 3 साइड्स. ट्रायंगल के 3 साइड होते हैं और ट्रायंगल के 3 वर्टिसेस होते हैं. नेक्स्ट स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट वन स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर में भी 4 साइड्स होते हैं एंड 4 वर्टिसेस होते हैं और उसके सारे साइड्स क्या होते हैं? इक्वल होते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्स, लास्ट वन वर्स सर्कल. सर्कल में ना ही साइड्स होते हैं, ना ही वर्टिसेस होते हैं. So circle has no sides and a circle has no vertices. Now you have to write all these in your classroom copy, maths classroom copy, and you have to learn it properly. Now students, in the next video I will discuss the next topic of this chapter. Thank you.